turn it on?
It is on.
It's on. It's recording.
It is on and recording.
Hi, my name is Roy, and today I will be showing you my Tacklebox. First up, we have my circle multi-tool. As you can see, there are pliers. Under this flat, we have a Phillips head screwdriver and a knife. Under here, we got some file and a flathead screwdriver. Careful for the knife.
Careful for the knife? Why do we have to be careful of the knife?
Because it could cut your finger like I did. And we have my frog.
Your legless frog, Roy?
Legless frog. And unfortunately, armless frog.
Armless? How did they get armless and legless, Roy?
Well, I was... Dad, remember when I was emptying my tackle box?
No.
Two of the hooks to clean it. Two of the hooks got hooked onto it, and when I was trying to pull the lures off, arms came off.
Oh, I thought the fish ate those off.
The arms, you said? The arms.
No, I meant everything, but okay.
Alright, next up we have my... Come on.
Pop quiz. Come on.
What does pop quiz mean? Nice. Woo! Just out. Next up we have my square bill crankbait, mimicking a yellow perch.
Used for?
Used for catching bass.
Smaller, Roy. Come on.
Crappie.
Crappie.
Sunfish.
And? What are the other panfish?
Yellow perch.
There you go.
Nice catch. Next up we have my rooster tail, used for catching trout. Why I know that it's a rooster tail is because it says it on the spinner thing. And next up we have my popper mimicking a frog. And then we have my first lipless crank. Then we have a lipless crank from Santa Claus. Another one from Santa Claus. Then we have a Slash King. Slash King. Then we have my white frog, Ribbit. And then we have this frog with the legs. Then I have a... What is this?
What is it?
That is called a jerkbait.
Sure.
Jerkbait. This is a jerkbait.
Got it.
Then we have this spinner bait. Why is it called a spinner bait, Roy? After you've been watching the video, Dad. Oh my gosh, what did Dad tell you this? This is called a spinnerbait is because it has these two little spinners. They buzz through the water. Spin through the water. Next up we have my bait. We have another spinnerbait. So used for bass. I know, Gil. And this is a buzz bait. Then we have my worm. As you can see, it has a little propeller looking thing right here. Then we have this red worm that goes with it too. Then we have this black worm. And we have this orange, greenish, blackish worm. And then we have this crawfish. Now we're moving on to my bottom. We have a pack of gulps. Now we have these bullet weights. Look, why are they called bullet weights? Because they look like bullets. Okay. This is a circle container of hooks.
What are those again?
A container of circle hooks.
Okay.
Now we have my big bobber, my medium bobber, smaller big-ish bobber, medium bobber, last but not least, my smallest bobber. Aww. Also, I got this. What is it called again?
No.
Wait, I'll call it
No, those are jigs.
jig
heads.
hooks.
Jig heads.
Jig heads. Perfect where I wanted it to land. Next up we have this
Offset worm hooks.
offset worm hook. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like down below.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comments, and subscribe.
Please
Please like,
comment.
comment.
Stop.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe down below. Thank you for watching. What's my name? Fishing's my game. See you next time. In the spring. Bye.